In this video, we will go over the steps to replace the wire harness on the Nordic Track S22i and other similar models. First, remove the brake knob cap from the lower brake knob. Remove the M6 lock nut from the lower brake knob. Next, remove the M6 washer and the brake knob housing from the brake shaft. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two number 8 by 1/2 inch screws holding the accessory tray to the machine and lift the accessory tray free from the machine. Loosen the post knob and lower the handlebar post to the lowest position. Then retighten the post knob again. After the handlebar post is secured, disconnect the wire harness as shown here. Be sure to remove the ground wire and screw located by the lower brake knob and cut the zip ties holding the wire harness to the frame located by the controller and saddle post. Next, disconnect the wire harness from the controller. Take note of where each wire is connected. You will have to connect the new wire harness to the controller after it is replaced. Then, cut the end off the existing wire harness and tape it to the new wire harness as shown. Try to keep the taped section as slim as possible while still making sure it is securely attached when doing this to avoid the wire getting caught or coming undone on any part of the machine during the next steps. Once securely taped, feed the wire into the frame of the machine and pull the wire from the other side of the harness. This will fish the new wire harness through the machine. Remove the tape from the wire and feed the wire through the handlebar post, and connect it to the wire you disconnected the original wire harness from earlier. Next, reattach the ground wire to the frame of the machine as shown. Now, you can finish attaching the new wire harness to the controller, and zip tie all the cables back to the original locations. Be sure that none of the cables will interfere with any moving parts of the machine to prevent any damage to the wires in the future. Finally, reattach the accessory tray and the lower brake knob housing back onto the machine. Before you use the machine, make sure all parts are properly tightened.